Visa gift cards can be declined for several reasons. If the card's value is exhausted, it can no longer be used for purchases. To avoid this issue, it's essential to confirm the card's balance before attempting to use it. Additionally, using a Visa gift card at a different location than where it was purchased can also prompt a decline. So it's best to buy the gift card from the same site where you plan to make your purchase. Another reason for decline is an expired gift card, which cannot be used for purchases. To prevent this, it's crucial to check the expiration date on the card and use it before it expires. Entering the wrong PIN is also a common reason for decline, as the correct PIN is typically provided when purchasing the gift card. By being aware of these potential issues and taking steps to avoid them, you can ensure a smooth transaction with your Visa gift card.